everyone, so tonight I'm making fried cornbread. I've already started on this, but I thought I'd just take a moment to show you this. It's really simple. You'll need some milk and some cornmeal. I use Martha White self-rising cornmeal. And then you'll need some pure canola oil. Do not try to fry this in vegetable oil or olive oil. You're gonna wanna use canola when you're frying. Okay, and I have already mixed this. I put about a cup of cornmeal. I'm making a small pan, and the milk, I just guessed at it, and it's actually gotten thick. So once you mix it and set it aside and get your skillet ready, it's gonna thicken. So it got a little thick on me. So what I'm gonna do, so simple guys, you can do this, is just add a drop or two of milk. And this is the consistency that you want. Just 2 ingredients, milk and cornmeal. Kind of like pancake batter. Now I've got my skillet over here. It's on high. I use an iron skillet. I've got a small one because it's just my husband and I. But you can make a whole big batch of this. You can do this even in a Teflon skillet, but I prefer this iron skillet, and you're gonna need a really thin spatula. Okay, and I'm gonna pan over here so you can see. I've got my skillet going here with the oil in it. It's about a ½ inch to an inch thick. Now you're gonna wanna set that oil aside because you may have to add more oil. Okay. And what I like to do is get a plate ready, put it close by. I'll get a paper towel and fold it and lay it on part of that plate. My oil looks like it's heating up here. If you go ahead and drop some in before the oil gets hot, it absorbs all the oil, and those first few pieces do not taste good. So we're gonna let this heat up and then we'll get started. Okay, we're just gonna check and see if this oil is ready, and the way I do that, you can take and just drop a piece in there. Just a little drop. And it is hot enough. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I have got a tablespoon here. And that is the size that I make, and they turn out great. So just take and load your tablespoon, drop it in there. Load up another one, drop it in there. You don't want them touching. Sometimes they might mate there, but you can break them apart. Over there. And when you see it start to bubble and look like it's cooking around the edges, that's when you can flip it. So let's go ahead and flip one. Just get up under it with that spatula, and you can tilt your skillet and flip it over so the grease doesn't splatter. Still got my stovetop on high. You will have to play with the temperature. When it goes to getting too hot, you're going to turn it down a little bit. So you'll kind of go back and forth between high and medium. All right, there we go. We've got one there. So I just kind of hold it there for a second and get the grease off, lay it on there, on that paper towel. Here's another one. This is really quick, easy. Just load it up again. Ah, you hear it frying? That's what you want there. And I'll show you why I do this, only half the plate, here in a second. And then the ones that actually the grease drained out of them, I'm going to move them over to the plate. Grab another paper towel. I like to try to get all of that canola oil out that I can. And then I'm going to take and pull this paper towel out. See all that oil? I'm going to toss that. And then what I like to do sometimes when I have guests, I'll just arrange it in a pretty little circle here. And there you have it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. God bless, and I hope everybody has a great evening. Night. Tonight I'm making cornbread, fried cornbread. I'm making fried cornbread.